Hey Wanderlusters! Traveling can be a lot of fun, but it can also come with its fair share of stress, from packing to the airport security and worrying about keeping your personal items safe. But what if I told you that with a few simple tips, you can make your travel experience as stress-free as possible? Today, I'm going to share how you can choose the right outfit, pack your bags, and keep your personal items safe, and how to recharge after your arrival. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about your outfit. Comfort is key. Look for something breathable and flexible, like leggings or loose-fitting pants, paired with a soft shirt. Since most airports can be chilly, wearing is a good idea. A cozy jacket or cardigan will do the trick. And don't forget the shoes that are easy to slip in and slip off for those TSA checks. The goal is comfort, because a relaxed body means a relaxed mind. Now let's talk about packing smart, especially whenever it comes to your essentials. One of the most important things you need to carry is your passport, your ID, or any travel documents. I highly recommend taking a travel wallet or a net pouch to keep these documents secure and accessible. You don't want to be scrambling around at security when you're boarding the plane. When packing your passport, make sure it's in a designated spot in your carry-on or personal bag, somewhere easy to access, but also safe from getting lost or damaged. The same goes with your valuables like your wallet, your phone, and other credit cards. A cross-body bag or a small backpack with anti-theft features can be a great option to keep everything secure. And remember to always carry a backup credit card or a small amount of local currency in case of emergencies. And when it comes to toiletries, pack them smartly. Make sure everything's in a clear, resealable bag within the size limits for liquids. This will make going through security a breeze. If you're flying internationally, make sure you are aware of the extra regulations on the things like medication or duty-free items. Now, let's talk about airport arrival times. It's best to be at the airport 2 to 3 hours before your flight, especially for international trips. This gives you plenty of time to check in, go through security, and maybe grab a snack or coffee before you're board. Trust me, arriving early takes the pressure off and just gives you some time to relax and enjoy the process. Speaking of relaxing, while you're at the airport, stay hydrated or avoid the stress of rushing through the terminal. Find a comfortable seat, relax, maybe even do some reading or catch up on your favorite show. You'll feel more energized and less anxious before your flight. Once you're on your plane, make sure you've got all your essentials within reach. Your headphones, your book, or your travel pillow should be close by so you can fully settle in. Take this time to relax. Your vacation or your adventure starts now. Now you've landed. To avoid jet lag, it's helpful to adjust your sleep schedule a few days before you travel. Once you're at your destination, try to get some fresh air and sunlight. A light walk around the area can help your body adjust, and before you know it, you're feeling refreshed and ready to explore. When you arrive at your accommodation, unpack a bit and take a moment to breathe. This is your time to recharge after the journey. If you're traveling with important personal items like electronics or documents, it's a good idea to keep them in a safe or hid them away in your room. Many hotels offer safes, or you can just use a portable lockbox if you're staying somewhere without one. Don't forget to prioritize rest, even if you're ready to explore. Take a break or a nap or a peaceful moment in your room. That will help you recover from the long journey, recharge your mind and your body. You'll feel more ready to take on the trip than you were ever. So there you have it. With a little planning and preparation, you can make your travel experience so much more relaxed and enjoyable. From choosing the right outfit, securing your important documents, and arriving early at the airport, taking care of yourself when you land, it's all about staying organized and calm. I hope these travel tips help you have a stress-free and enjoyable trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips. Safe travel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.